Good afternoon, everyone. And today I want to show you on how to connect. This is a VFD variable frequency drive onto a AC motor. So in our last video, I showed you and how to wire this is a VFD and how to program it. As I said in my previous video, and in the US household, and we usually have 110 and VAC one phase power. So if you want to have a project that needs a three-phase AC motor, and so you cannot directly connect to the three-phase AC motor and to your household outlets on the wall. So you need to by a VFD. So by a VFD, and to this VFD, and we'll change we'll change this is one phase 110 VAC to three phase 240 or 230 or 460 and VAC for the AC motors. So in last video, I showed you how to connect and this VFD variable frequency drive and to the power. So here how to program it. So this is my VFD, and here you can see clearly. And so we can have this is a panel here, and so this is terminal here. So this, and we have I showed you, and I bought this power cord from the Lowe's about $12. So we have three colored. This is the wires, and the black one is a live wire, needs to be connected to the first terminal here, right? And the white one is the neutral wire, needs to be connected to the third one, and the second one there is a white cat on it. So the manufacturer intentionally put this is a cap here, so you will not be able to use it. The green wire is connected to the ground. So we have two ground terminals. So this terminal can be used to connect to the power and to to our household outlet on the wall. And so this one, another ground terminal can be used to be connected to the AC motor. AC motor also has a ground there, right? So now I'm going to show you on how to connect AC motor to this VFD. So here we have 4 terminals, and the three-phase motor. We have for the three-phase motor we have UVW, and here we have UVW also. So this one is a U terminal, this one is a V terminal, and so this one is the W terminal. So these 3 terminals need to be connected to the UVW of your AC motor. So the motor I bought is this. I'm going to show you. So the AC motor. So this is the AC motor I bought is AC Gearmotor, and it has 28 the nominal RPM, and the maximum torque is 1,328. This is the inch-pound. The torque, the single shaft, and it can rotate counterclockwise and clockwise. The horizontal. So this is this gear motor voltage is 230 and /460 VAC. And so because this guy has 2 configurations, 230 and 460. So you need to select the this is which configuration you are going to use. So I'm going to show you. And here, so this is I bought this gear motor from the Gringer, the GRAINGER. So this you can check online, and to get this is the AC gear motor. So this is the node. The is NORD, the node. So you can see, um, and I'm going to show you here. This is a cover. This is a cover of my gear motor. It's called NORD. Okay, so and here is the configuration, and based on, as I said, so this gearbox can output two different the voltages. So one is 230 VAC, another one is 460 VAC, and based on different voltages, and you need to connect, you need to select different configurations, right? So after you buy this one, I want to show you clearly. After you buy this one, and you will have this configuration. So for this is so for this high voltage, so you need to follow this connection. So for this is this low voltage, for low voltage for our case is 230 VAC, and so you need to follow these, right? So I just changed the by default. Why I bought this is the AC gear motor. So the manufacturer and they use this configuration, but because I'm going to use 230 VAC, so I changed this configuration. So you can do it and by yourself. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how to wire this is AC motor, and to this is to this is to this the VAC. So the AC motor and they have the AC motor and has four the wires. So we have UVW and wire. So here, look at here. So UVW, we have three. I use this is the red wires for UVW. And so this fourth one is the ground wire. The ground wire, I use the black piece of wire here. Okay, so you need to connect uh, these four wires and to the corresponding the terminals on the VFD. And the U terminal needs to be connected to the U wire from AC gear motor. So this is the V. This V terminal needs to be connected to the V wire from this AC gear motor, and the W terminal here needs to be connected to the W wire uh, from the AC gear motor. Also the ground. So this is ground needs to be connected to the ground of the VFD. So please be very, very careful. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through. So before you wear it, I make sure and so you don't and you do not uh, plug in this power cord of VFD onto the outlet. Otherwise, there is a risk of high voltage strike. So now I'm going to put this is the ground and to the ground, and you need to follow this one very, very closely. Otherwise, and you might damage this is either VFD or your AC gear motor, or you might the gear motor will not operate not as normal as it's supposed to be. Go here. I'm going to wire this is the ground first. Okay, so this is the ground to the ground, and U to U. Okay, so for safety reason, I label each of these wires as U, V, or W. So U to U, and here is a U here. Okay, U, and so here is my U. I'm going to insert this one here, and then I use my screwdriver and to secure it. This is my U, and then my W. Just 1 second. Be very, very careful. Okay. So U, and then I'm focused on the V. And then secure it. Last where is W. So this is W. W, go to the W terminal. So go to the W terminal. Go to the W terminal. And then secure it. So after you finish wiring, this is the 4 wires from the AC gear motor and to the VFD, and you need to double check everything. So what you need to double check is the wire. So the ground, this is the ground, the black wire, the ground goes to the ground here, ground terminal. So the U, okay? So U and goes to the terminal U here, U to U, right? V wire and goes to the V terminal V here, and W and goes to the W terminal. And be very, very careful. Okay, so if you mess up anything here, as I said, you might damage either your VFD or your AC gear motor. Or if there is no damage, that's okay. But the AC motor will not operate as normally as it is supposed to be. So I need to double check everything here. Okay, so UVW UV W. Okay, UVW. Everything is good. So everything is good, and UVW, the ground. Everything is good. So I can connect my power cord onto my single phase the household 110 VAC. So I'm going to connect it, and just 1 second. So after I connected, you will see the light of this is VFD will be turned on. So you can see, so my VFD is turned on now, right? So my VFD is turned on. Now I want to show you how I control my the gear motor using my VFD. Just 1 second. Let me. So be very, very careful. Okay, you cannot. So this is my gear motor. Okay, so this is my gear motor. Let me put it. This is my gear motor, and this is a shaft, right? So this is my VFD. Don't touch this. Is any terminal. Use your hands. Now, so I want to. Last time I showed you, and for this VFD, and we can control. We can have several running mode. The first one is let me see here. Okay, 60. I can change this one. See, I can just turn this knob. So here, so you can see I can turn it to from 60 to 0. So 60 is maximum, 0 is minimum. And then I need to program it, and so you can. I want to see here. Let's see. Okay, so this is if I can run it or not. I can use this is run. Oh, it does not work. Okay, let me take a look. So here is the program. I select this one. This F00. I need to select F02. So change this one, F02 now, right? So I click. This is the program. So now this is 1 now. So 1. Last time I showed you, if this F02 value is 1, that means, and you can control. This is the AC motor, and using your PLC. So if this is the case, and you can see clearly, and here are several these terminals, and we have VFD, and we have CM. CM is so we have CM here, we have REV, we have FWD, and we have, so these are several. This is the terminals that you can connect to this, connect your VFD to the PLC. So this is for the 1. If the F02 value equals 1. Now I want to change it. I want to show you how can I manually operate my AC gear motor. So I need to change this one to 2. Okay. Now after I change this to 2, then I click this one. You can see saved, right? Saved, and then I can click this button again once more, and so I go back to 6000. Now, so when the F02's value equals 2, I can run it manually. You can see, okay, if I just click run, you can see it is rotating forward. It is rotating. You can hear the sound from this AC motor. I can stop it. You can see I can stop it. If I stop it, as you can see, the frequency is decreasing gradually from 60 to 0. Right? So you can see if the F02 value equals the 2, and the motor's AC motor shaft rotates, this is forward. Now, if I want to change, this is the mode. I click this one, right? I then click this. So this F03, I don't need to change the value of F03. I need to change the value of F02. So I can just decrease it. So F02, then I click this is a function 1. But now this is value 2, we just saved. Now I can change this one to 3, okay? If I can change to this 3, then I click this function. So you can see saved. And then I click this one one more time. Here 6000. Now this time I can rotate manually. I can rotate. This is the AC gear motor in the reverse direction. I can show you. Okay, run. See, it is rotate. This is in the reverse direction. So you can also see the frequency is increasing from 0 and to 60, which is the maximum 60. You also can hear the sound from the motor. Okay, so this is pretty much what I want to show you on how to connect This is your VFD to this is AC gear motor. How to control your AC gear motor from your VFD. So this is, I hope this video is helpful for your household projects. Whenever you need to use, this is a 3-phase AC motor or AC gear motor. Now let me stop. This is the motor. Okay, everyone. So I'm going to, if you have any questions, and this video will be posted very soon. And if you have any questions, you can just write some comments or ask me questions below this is video. And I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Bye, everyone.